Today we will calculate the distance of the stop sign classifier using image processing. First of all, I will take some reference images. Let me delete this folder. All this will be available on GitHub. So first of all, I am running the script of capture reference, and in this script it will take 10 images automatically, and you have to take this on a certain distance. Before going to take images, I will be opening the webcam, and in the webcam I can show you something. The something is the measuring tape, and this is stop sign classifier. In this stop sign classifier, you have to first put the measuring tape here near the camera, and then you will put it and take the sample images. So I will put it around at 13 inch, and then we'll take the images. So it is just for giving you the idea. Now let me start taking the images. So I am running the module and holding the stop sign classifier at 13 inch exactly. So it is opening and it is taking 10 images, and it will take 10 images immediately. The 10 images have been captured. Now I am closing this camera. The script is available on GitHub. So there are 10 images in the folder capture images. Now I will go towards the folder. It will automatically generate the folder, and in this folder I will take the best image. So I think the best image is this one, the frame 2, and I will pick this frame 2 and name this as ref dash image, means reference image, because I have kept the same name in my file. So I will cut this and paste it where all the scripts are. Now I will open the script har distance. In the har distance script, r should be small, and now I will run this script, and this should tell the distance, and I will measure and check it with the help of measuring tape as well. So let me open it, and you can see this is showing 12 inch. Okay, and let me put the measuring tape and will measure at 15 inch. I will opening it to 15 and holding it at 15. Okay, so you can see it is accurate, and it has only the error of 0.68 or 67 centimeter. I have the measuring tape here, and now I am putting it at 15 inch. So it has only a very little bit of error. Now I am taking it at around 19 inch. It is showing 18.94 or 18.76. So it is accurate. Thank you for the time.